Hello, what's up guys? My name is Green and today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the new OnePlus 6 um, Marvel Avengers limited edition. So let's not wait any longer. Let's open up the box. There's like a black box with a gold rim around it. Um, Marvel Edition with infinity power in your hands, and then the red dot, OnePlus 6, and the Avengers Infinity Wars. Okay, it feels quite premium in my hand. There's a carbon feel at the front. Okay, and there's some IMEI number at the back. Okay, and open up the box. Ouch! Okay, so inside the box we have the cover. Let's put it away and sleep Avenger. Okay, the phone. Okay, feel quite premium. The glass bag, but the look is just like carbon fiber. Okay, let's put it away and see what else we have here. Okay, dash charger and cable. Okay, and inside here we have case and this. Oh, let's see what I got. The Hulk, my favorite character. Okay. Case. Woo woo. And the case is Iron Man case with the SIM card ejector. And okay, let's see the phone. Wow, feels so good in the hand. And this premium switch, mute vibrate switch, feels so good in the hand. Okay, so can't wait. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Chúc Liệp Lia.